Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Imagine your life, career, or global opportunity hinging on the speed of a visa decision. Today, we are diving into a topic that matters to millions worldwide: Australia's visa processing times in September 2025, and why it's more than just a number on a government website. It's a window into opportunity, strategy, and human ambition. First off, the overview. As of July 2025, the median decision time for key permanent visa categories is as follows: skilled, permanent, visas approximately 8 months, partner visas, around 16 months. External experts and migration consultancies further refine this. Subclass 189, skilled independent, about 8 to 9 months. Subclass 190, skilled nominated, roughly 6.5 to 8 months, often faster than subclass 189. Subclass 491, skilled regional, usually 8 to 12 months. These figures dynamically reflect real-time fluctuations, often impacted by application volume, completeness, and legislative factors. Now, why this matters, not just to applicants, but to organizations, PR professionals, and career strategists. Stakeholder communication. Applicants and partners need accurate, empathetic updates. Being vague or outdated can erode trust. Career mobility planning. Skilled migrants, university graduates, and professionals leverage visa timelines to plan relocations, employment, or business ventures. Knowing whether your visa might come in 6, 8, or 16 months influences decisions. Operational strategy for PR teams. For immigration consultants or educational institutions, having these realistic timelines informs client expectations. Marketing campaigns and service delivery. Policy awareness. Reporting on visa processing times also sheds light on systemic challenges. For instance, parent visa queues are dramatically longer, taking 14 years for contributory parent visas and up to 31 years for general-aged parent visas, highlighting deep structural issues that shape public sentiment and policy debate. So as we move into September 2025, what are the key takeaways? Expect skilled and partner visa processing to remain in that 6 to 16 month window, with subclass 190 often being the quicker pathway. Always reference the Department of Home Affairs monthly updates for the most accurate median times. And whether you're advising clients, managing recruitment, or guiding media narratives, these numbers are far more than statistics. They're strategic levers for planning, reputation, and real-world impact. Home Affairs publishes monthly medians for the big programs. The latest update, the 22nd of August 2025, shows skilled, permanent 8 months, median. Partner, provisional or temporary 16 months, median. Skilled, temporary, 4 months, median. Student, 30 days, median. Visitor, 1 day, median. Working holiday maker, less than 1 day, median. These medians reflect how long it took to decide. Most applications recently and can shift month to month as older cases are cleared. Expect September figures to stay in a similar band unless the department posts a new update. You can also check the visa-specific processing time guide. It's updated monthly and shows indicative timeframes for many subclasses. Skilled migration. What to expect? PR focus. If you're targeting permanent skilled visas, e.g., 189, 190, 491 to PR pathways, the program level median is 8 months. Individual subclasses can sit either side of that depending on nomination steps, health character checks, and document quality. Third-party tracking commonly reports subclass 189, skilled independent 8 to 9 months for a well-prepared case after lodgement. Subclass 190, skilled nominated, 5 to 12 months, depending on state nomination timing and case complexity. Home Affairs doesn't publish a fixed number per subclass on its overview page. Instead, it points applicants to the monthly processing time guide tool for up-to-date subclass figures. Why it varies: incomplete evidence, skills assessments, police checks, health, nomination processing, security screening, and whether the department is prioritizing older or complex cases that month. Home Affairs notes it is working down older inventories, which can shift medians month to month. Employer-sponsored and temporary skilled. Under the skilled, temporary umbrella, e.g., TSS 482, some 485 cases. The current median is 4 months. Individual streams vary with sponsorship and nomination. Decisions and role criticality. Use the processing time guide for your exact stream. Students, graduates, and visitors. Student visas are currently 30 days, median, 4 decisions. With Direction Number 111 governing processing priorities, e.g., provider or sector risk settings. Apply well ahead of course start and front-load complete documents. Visitor visas are extremely fast on median right now under 1 day, though family-sponsored and business streams can take longer. Visitor stream timeframes often vary by location and season. Third-party trackers show tourist stream decisions, ranging from 48 hours to several weeks. Family pathway realities, partner and parent. Partner visas sit around till 16 months, median, at program level, with some jurisdictions seeing additional delays for relationship. Registrations used as supporting evidence. Parent visas, non-temporary, are capped and queued, and therefore don't show in the monthly processing time tool. As of the 31st of May 2025, Home Affairs was releasing contributory parent queue dates up to April 2018, parent queue dates up to December 2012, aged parent queue dates up to January 2013. This gives a rough sense of multi-year queues for new applicants. Independent law firm summaries continue to estimate about 14 years for contributory parent and 31 years for non-contributory parent pathways, reflecting the capped places. These are not guarantees. Caps or allocations can change. What changed recently and what it means for September. Monthly medians. Home Affairs continues to post monthly medians and says it is prioritizing older cases in several programs, which can make medians bounce. As the mix changes, expect September to remain close to August unless a new bulletin lands. Program settings. Public commentary indicates 2025 to 26. Migration program settings are expected to remain similar to 2024 to 25. Skilled focus, which generally supports stable skilled program processing once inventories are controlled. Always prefer official releases over social posts, but this aligns with the narrative of steady settings. How to read and use the numbers. Median versus percentiles. The headline figures are medians, typical case. Your application might be faster or slower depending on background checks, health, case complexity, and whether the department requests more info. Subclass specifics for exact subclass expectations this month. Check the processing time guide. It's the authoritative, rolling indicator. Captive queued visas, notably parent. Rely on the queue release dates page, rather than the standard guide. Practical ways to avoid delays, career and PR applicants. Front load complete evidence, skills assessment, English test, police clearances, health exams, submit clean. Scan quality documents that match your claims. Home Affairs explicitly notes incomplete files slow things down. Respond fast to S56 requests for further information. Keep contact agent details current in IMI account and track status there. 4 state-nominated visas. 194.91. Understand your state's nomination timelines. That often becomes the pacing item before visa decision. Bottom line for September 2025. Skilled PR applicants should plan around tilde 8 months, median, with 189-190, often bracketing that, depending on nomination and case quality. Partner cases typically require 16 months. Expect variability with older or complex files. Students, 30 days. And visitors WHM 1 day. Remain comparatively quick on median, though individual streams and regions can differ.